Hi guys, Lorraine here with another review video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, makemoneyonline-niches.com. So today I'm doing a review of a product that is called Elevate. Now Elevate launched a couple of days ago, but I was busy with some other things, so I didn't get in on that. So here it is, I'm putting it out now. Elevate review, which the launch ends on Monday at midnight, and the product creator is Venkata Ramana. So what I want to do is quickly look at the bonuses that are available when you purchase through my link, and the link will be in the description below this video. We'll have a look at the sales page. There is the demo video on my bonus page that you can review, and we'll have a look at the members area as well. So let's get over and have a look at the bonus page that I've put together for you. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page for Elevate, and basically the product creator is saying it's a breakthrough one-click system that auto prints money, $50 to $100 every 30 minutes. And it's a software and training, and basically it's to do with finding top authority domains, which the software finds these authority domains, and then you can then put content, a WordPress upload onto those authority domains, and then you can actually sell them. But we can take a look at the dashboard a little bit later in this video. It's a web application and it's available for Mac, PC, mobile. It makes, basically you could do a lot of things with this, with Elevate. The front end of the product is available at $17, so you get access to the powerful Elevate software and all the training modules. Then you've got your upsell at $39, which is a slingshot which limits and creates unlimited campaigns, unlock unlimited capability. Then there's a lot of other upsells, which you've got your one-time offer 2 is $197, and you've got another one for $197. The fourth one $197, the fifth one $197, the sixth is $197, and the seventh one is $197. When you click through and have a look at my bonus page, you can read all about the different upsells that are available when you go through this funnel. So what I want to start with is basically the bonuses that are available. Now, unfortunately, because I'm doing this video late on, the first bonus is already being closed down. So the first bonus was only available for the first 6 hours, and that one is now gone. But we've got bonus 2, which is the 3 favorite traffic sources by John Armstrong. All of these bonuses are through John Armstrong, who is the mentor on the program that I'm in, which is Ministry of Freedom. Now, the third bonus, which is learn how to make effective copywriting. So it's training on how you can put together your copywriting for your emails and your landing pages, which is really effective in order to attract the traffic and convert into sales. And bonus number 4 is access to online entrepreneur. And basically that's what it is. It's a training about how you can become and be an online entrepreneur. And who wouldn't want to be an online entrepreneur after the 2020 experiences and the 2021 experiences that everyone has had because of the pandemic. Bonus number 5 is, as usual, all of the vendor bonuses will still be available when you have a look and purchase through my link, which is in the description below this video. Any of these yellow buttons on my web page here will take you through to the sales page, where you can then go and purchase through Warrior Plus. and this blue button on a receipt of Warrior Plus will take you to the bonus pages. Okay, so let's have a look at the sales page. This sales page for Elevate, there is a video on the page. When you click here, it goes through why you need to purchase Elevate, what you need to do. There's 0 traffic needed. 67 beta testers made $52,324 with this product. You set up the Elevate once and then enjoy permanent results. It's a 24/7 passive income even when you're sleeping. It's a shortcut to instant online success. There's a 365-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free. You can get paid $200 if you fail. So that's big claims. There's a free bonus, which for the first 100 buyers, they will get Atomic Edition, which is a real world value of $997. So this is Elevate, and there's obviously a lot of testimonials on this website because people have made a lot of money using this product. This one here, you can see $43,029. No solar ads, no Facebook, no Instagram, no YouTube, no making videos, no content creation. That sounds like it's pretty simple and pretty easy to do. No traffic apps. You're done in 3 steps. So basically you can start enjoying passive income. Step 1, you purchase the product. You click any of the buy buttons to get the Elevate at the lowest price. Step 2, activate, create your first Elevate campaign. Activate into auto-print technology. Then step 3, enjoy. Enjoy thousands of dollars in profits without the need of any traffic whatsoever. So easy, a child could do it. So this is what the people have been earning in commissions, as you can see. $5, you know, there's just basically lots and lots of different commissions that come in because within the system you could just keep earning as the money just comes in passively. So that's the sales page for Elevate. We can go over now and have a look at the members dashboard. So this is the members dashboard for Elevate. Like I say, it's I won't be able to run the software. This is basically my demonstration access as a JV for the product. It starts off with a premium training. So Venkata Ramana is going to sort of obviously take you through what's what. There's the domain finder. Basically then it's a system whereby it finds lots of different top level domains. You can search for types of domain that you like to use. You can look for .com domains, all the different endings of the different domains. You run a search and then you can then use this, you're using the software, but then you can actually hijack, or like basically not hijack, but to put your own WordPress website on those domains once you find them. You've got the website builder, then you've got the ultra poster. Basically that's loaded up with different places that you can post links and to your affiliate marketing or whatever it is that you're promoting. Text posts, image posts, HTML posts, link posts, video posts, carousel video post, multimedia post. So there's a lot of information contained in here. Then there's your profile to set yourself a profile, and then you've got the upgrades, the support. So that is where this is the product, and like I say, this starts off with a premium training, and that video there is 5 minutes long. So this is Elevate, and like I say, it's available until Monday at midnight. That's the 30th of August, and the starting price for the front end of the funnel is $17, and then after that the product will be on sale at the higher price, which I'm not sure what that is, but obviously better to get it at the lower price. In fact, if it goes to a monthly subscription, you're going to be quidsy. So that is my product review for Elevate, and I'll tell you what, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.